Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to add song to Instagram post with multiple photos. So let's get right into it. To do that, head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And then head over to the plus icon to post your photos. Suppose I want to add all these photos at once, and to do that and to add music with them, here you'll find your choices right here. You can tap on browse, and from here you can also add your saved music if you have saved some music on Instagram already. And you can also search for your music according to your taste, any name, genre or artist or any lyrics you want. So once you are okay with any song, just tap on it and select any track you want. So once you are okay with your track, tap on the tick icon and the song will be added, and tap on next. And as you can see, this song is added in here. If you want to delete it, you can also tap on the cross icon just beside it and tap on share. And the post is currently being uploaded. And here you can see the song is added to my Instagram post of multiple photos. So yeah, hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next one.